Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate your color contrast for ADA compliance in Figma. Complete guide step by step clearly. To authenticate your color contrast for ADA compliance in Figma, start by opening your Figma design file. Identify the text elements in your design that need to be evaluated for color contrast. Select a text element and take note of its color. Next, select the background color behind this text element. You will need to extract the color values for both the text and the background. Open a color contrast checker tool, such as the WebAIM contrast checker. Input the hex color value of the text into the appropriate field in the tool. Now, input the hex color value of the background into the second field. Once you've entered both colors, check the contrast ratio displayed by the tool. You are aiming for a contrast ratio of at least 4.5 to 1 for normal text. If your text is larger than 18 point or bold, a ratio of 3 to 1 is acceptable. If the ratio meets the required standards, your design is compliant. If it does not meet the standards, consider adjusting either the text or background color. Go back to Figma and select the text element again for any necessary color adjustments. Experiment with different color combinations until you achieve a satisfactory contrast ratio. Repeat this process for all text elements in your design. After all text elements have been adjusted, review the overall design for balance and aesthetics. Finally, ensure that your colors maintain their meaning and accessibility throughout the design. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.